Are you the best snorkel masks? Snorkel masks are essential tools for underwater exploration, offering users a clear, safe, and comfortable way to experience the ocean's wonders. With advancements in design and technology, today's snorkel masks provide features like panoramic views, anti-fog systems, and dry top breathing product. Greatever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask. With the Greatever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask is a mid-range option designed for users aged 9 and above. Featuring a 180-degree panoramic view and a removable camera mount, this mask excels in offering a distortion-free underwater experience. Its G2 dry top system ensures smooth breathing by expanding the snorkel diameter to 1.26 inches. While the dual-channel exhaust valve prevents CO2 buildup, the mask's professional anti-fog design leverages a dual-pane system to minimize condensation, making it ideal for varying water temperatures. In practice, the Greatever G2 delivers a comfortable fit thanks to its polyurethane resin and silicone Product 2. Greatever Dry Snorkel Set. The Greatever Dry Snorkel Set is a premium option that combines a tempered glass diving mask with a dry snorkel tube. It features a single-layer lens for maximum visibility and UV protection, making it suitable for snorkeling, swimming, and scuba diving. The food-grade silicone skirt ensures a hypoallergenic, comfortable fit, while the anti-fog treatment and dry floating valve design prevent water ingress and fogging during use. Performance-wise, this set caters to advanced users who prioritize clarity and durability. The tempered glass lens resists scratches and provides a wide field of view, while the adjustable strap ensures a secure fit. Product 3. Kids Snorkel Mask Full Face. The Azir Kids Snorkel Mask is a budget-friendly option tailored for children aged 2 to 14. Its 180-degree panoramic view and detachable camera mount allow kids to explore underwater while capturing memorable moments. The mask's anti-fog and anti-leak systems ensure fresh air intake and prevent water from entering, making it beginner-friendly. The soft silicone construction provides a secure and comfortable fit, while its CPC, EN71, CE, and ROHS certifications guarantee safety. This mask excels in introducing kids to snorkeling with an easy-to-use design that reduces energy expenditure during swimming. The adjustable product more. Full Face Snorkel Mask for Adults Teen. The HydroView Full Face Snorkel Mask offers a robust design with a 180-degree panoramic view and dual float ball system for enhanced safety. Its 4 breathing tablets and 2 exhale breath tablets ensure optimized airflow, reducing CO2 buildup and dizziness. The tempered glass lens provides clarity without distortion, while the high-quality silicone construction prevents leaks and condensation. Ideal for both beginners and advanced users, the HydroView mask delivers excellent anti-fog and anti-leak performance. The adjustable strap accommodates various face sizes, and the removable camera mount adds versatility. However, Product 5. Full Face Snorkel Mask. The Snorkelix Full Face Snorkel Mask represents the premium end of this category, featuring a dual float ball system and 4 breathing tablets for maximum airflow. Its 180-degree panoramic view and flat lens ensure distortion-free underwater exploration. The professional-grade anti-fog and anti-leak design, coupled with a high-quality silicone wrap, deliver a seamless snorkeling experience. The mask also includes a detachable camera mount for capturing underwater adventures. Performance-wise, the Snorkelix mask stands out for its advanced breathing system and superior build quality. It is particularly suitable for users seeking a high-end snorkel mask